Hey everyone, I'm Rick and welcome back to the channel. If you're sick of party speakers that can't fill a large space, run out of juice too fast, or lack that extra flair to get everyone dancing, then buckle up because today we're cranking the JBL PartyBox 710. This monster portable speaker pumps out 800 watts of massive sound with thumping bass, has 18 hours of battery life, dynamic party lights that sync to the music, IPX4 splashproof rating, mic and guitar inputs for karaoke fun, a DJ pad for mixing, and wheels with a telescopic handle for easy transport. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want crowd-pleasing audio that turns any gathering into a festival with lights and effects that wow, this is the speaker that'll make you the ultimate host. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break down the features on the JBL PartyBox 710. This speaker has a tall, bold design with a front grille that houses the drivers, built-in wheels, and a telescopic handle that pulls out for rolling it like luggage over various surfaces, making it surprisingly portable at about 27 inches tall by 16 inches wide by 14 inches deep, weighing around 37 pounds. Sound system is powerhouse level with 800 watts RMS from dual 8-inch woofers and dual 2.75-inch tweeters, delivering deep, powerful bass, clear vocals, and highs that cut through without distortion, even at full blast. The rechargeable battery gives up to 18 hours of playtime at moderate volume with a 3-hour charge time, and it's user replaceable for longevity. It's IPX4 splashproof, so it handles water splashes from any direction without issue. Perfect for outdoor use. Connectivity includes Bluetooth for wireless streaming, aux input for wired devices, USB port for music playback or charging phones, and dual inputs for microphones or guitars with individual controls and echo effects for live performances or karaoke. The built-in party lights feature RGB LEDs that sync to the beat with customizable patterns via the JBL PartyBox app, which also lets you adjust EQ presets, use the DJ pad for sound effects like scratches or horns, and enable PartyBoost to link multiple JBL speakers for stereo or amplified mode. Setup is simple. Charge it, pair your phone, tweak in the app if you want, and let the party begin. Priced around $400 to $500, it's built tough with high-quality materials and comes with a 2-year warranty. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are blasting. Enormous 800-watt power with rich, room-filling bass that energizes big crowds. Long 18-hour battery for extended events. Easy portability with wheels and handle. Splash-proof for worry-free outdoor fun. Mic and guitar inputs with effects for interactive entertainment. Vibrant synced party lights and DJ pad for added excitement. And app control for personalization. Users rave about how it transforms parties, the crystal clear sound at high volumes, and the build that stands up to heavy use. On the con side, it's still hefty at 37 pounds for hand carrying without the wheels. IPX4 is splash-proof, but not fully waterproof for submersion. No built-in smart voice assistant, and the premium price might be a bit much for occasional use. A few mentioned the app could have more DJ effects, but overall, the pros dominate for frequent hosts. My recommendation? Absolutely. Snag the JBL PartyBox 710 if you throw events regularly and the pros like massive power, portability, and party features make sense for you. It's ideal for DJs, backyard parties, or anyone wanting pro-level audio with lights to wow the crowd. Before we wrap, if these reviews get your party pumping, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and scores you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a party buddy, or subscribe for more. See you next time.